Hey, it's Kate with WTI. My coffee game just went up like 100 levels.
This exquisite coffee maker is by Nispira. This is a Belgian royal family Balance Siphon Coffee Maker. So balance is key here. I'm going to show you how this works, but look how gorgeous this is. This vintage classic retro style. It's luxurious, it's exquisite. I have to say this is going to be a showstopper if you have people over, if you're entertaining and you want to make a delicious cup of coffee. What you do is you follow the instructions. I soaked the fabric filter. We filled up the container for the cooking alcohol. You wrap the filter there, and then you're going to fill it up with water and coffee, just as the directions tell you to. And then the flame is going to heat that water up, and then it's eventually going to siphon into the carafe where the coffee is, and that's where it brews your coffee. Now, this is all about balance and timing, and look at how, because it's balanced, it's going to automatically extinguish that flame when the coffee is ready, and then you're able to use the spout to pour yourself this cup of coffee. It was delicious and strong. It reminded me a lot of French press coffee. I absolutely loved it, and I was even able to make some espresso martinis with it, which were really good. It comes with a measuring spoon, and it also comes with a container to pour your water in. So they thought of everything with this, but I just think it is so beautiful. What a really exquisite way to make a delicious cup of coffee. And I am definitely going to bring this out whenever I have friends over because I think they are going to be so impressed whether we're making martinis or just a strong cup of coffee. This is a beautiful and really, really elegant way to make a delicious brew.
That's just my point of view.